Meaning of flooded.
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 Flooded. Flooded means that an area has become covered with water, often due to heavy rainfall or a natural disaster such as a hurricane or flood. The result of flooding can be devastating, with homes and businesses damaged or destroyed, roads and bridges washed away, and crops ruined. Floodwaters can also be dangerous due to the risk of drowning, as well as carrying debris and pollutants. It can take weeks or even months for a flooded area to recover, and in some cases, the effects can be long-lasting.